Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about paper number 502, unit number 5, membrane biology. Topic is fluid mosaic model. The fluid mosaic model describes the structure of plasma membrane in animal cell. It surrounds the cell by the double layered structure. So it is also known as the bilayer structure model. The fluid mosaic model was first proposed by the S. J. Sanger and Garth L. Nicholson in 1972 to explain the exact structural part of the plasma membrane. They done their pioneer work for the every kind of structural and functional part of the membrane permeability. The fluid mosaic model describes the structural part of the membrane by the basic components like membrane lipids, membrane proteins, and membrane carbohydrates. This gives their fluidic character, and the size of the membrane ranges from 5 to 10 nanometer thickness. As you are showing, this is the basic figure of the plasma membrane. The structural part played by the phospholipid bilayer, so membrane lipid, membrane proteins like integral membrane protein, peripheral membrane protein, and lipid anchored protein, as well as the cholesterol, and membrane carbohydrates, the glycoprotein and glycolipid structure. Let's see the every kind of structural function of them. The basic components and function of membranes like phospholipids always done their key role for the providing the fabric of the membrane. Cholesterol is attached between the two phospholipid bilayers. The integral proteins embedded between the phospholipids. Peripheral membrane protein present as the peripheral part or the outer and inner surface part of the membrane. And carbohydrates always attached with the proteins at the outside of the membrane layer. This is the basic blueprint of the plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is structurally connected by the phospholipids. The phospholipids, the hydrophilic head, polar head, hydrophobic tail, non-polar tail, the carbohydrate chain like glycolipid like protein, and the every kind of protein channels are situated in between this membrane layered structure. Phospholipid molecule is providing the main fabric to the membrane, and it is always attracted by the water. So the head part of the membrane through the phospholipid, the polar head, hydrophilic, water loving, non-polar tail, hydrophobic, water fearing or water hating. Both layers of plasma membrane providing the hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. The head is always outward and tail is always inside to the lipid bilayer. Cholesterol is also embedded to the lipid bilayer, giving the membrane fluidity structure, the mosaic structure. The plasma membrane has the consistency like vegetable oil at the body temperature. As oil float on the water, as icebergs float on the seawater, so the appearance is exactly look like of that cholesterol and components on the membrane. The protein and other substances are also able to move across the membrane, and that's why plasma membrane is describing using the fluid mosaic model. The fluidity is dedicated to the liquid part and mosaic is the floating part of that model. Now, three types of membrane protein are present. Among them, the integral membrane protein, the second backbone component of membrane after the membrane lipid. The makeup of the second major component of membrane is known as the integral membrane protein. Integral membrane protein present entirely to the membrane. It is also known as the integrins. Its name suggested because it is completely embedded and present into the membrane. It is also known as a transmembrane protein because it is also present as a trans sections towards that membrane. Their hydrophobic membrane spanning region providing the functional part of the membrane, and this is present and It is always interacting with that lipid bilayer. Second is the peripheral membrane protein. This protein located at the peripheral part means entirely outer side of that membrane, either cytoplasmic site or extracellular site, and they are also associated with the surface of the membrane by the non-covalent interaction. Third is the lipid encode protein. Lipid encode protein present outside of the lipid bilayer, either extracellular part or the cytoplasmic part. They are covalently linked with the lipid molecule and situated within the bilayer. They interact covalently. Next, third main component of the membrane is membrane carbohydrates. Membrane carbohydrates always present at the exterior surface of that cell, and they are interacting with the protein, for example, glycoproteins, and with lipids, glycolipids. Next, the structure molecule of the phospholipid. The phospholipid molecule is composed of hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail, two hydrophobic tails. The hydrophobic head is consists of the phosphate containing group attached to the glycerol molecule, and hydrophobic tail containing either saturated or unsaturated fatty acid with a long chain of hydrocarbons. As we are showing in figure, the hydrophilic head in backbone is the glycerol, the 3-carbon ring structure. As the two types of phospholipids are present, glycerophospholipid and sphingophospholipid. The basic backbone of glycerophospholipid is glycerol, and of the sphingophospholipid is sphingosine, and the phosphate group is attached with them. The saturation and unsaturation bonding is depend on the single bond present in the unsaturated part and even bond always present in the saturation part. After that, phospholipid aggregation. The phospholipid aggregation is always present in the aqueous solution. Phospholipids arranged with the polar head facing outward and non-polar tail facing the inward. It is a structure like the mosaic structure, the fluid structure like the sphere. Two types of structure: the sheet-like structure, polar head and non-polar tail; the sphere-like structure, the lipid bilayer, that sphering, that round appearance, the mosaic appearance of their part. Key points like the membrane lipids composed of the amphiphilic nature, membrane protein, integral membrane protein, peripheral membrane protein, and lipid encode protein, membrane carbohydrates, interaction with the protein, glycoprotein, with lipid, glycolipids. Key terms is of amphiphilic, hydrophilic, and hydrophobic.